Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show double UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for 8 January Monday 2024. Today lunchtime single prediction numbers: number 2, number 24, number 35, number 36, number 47, number 48. Now lunchtime single prediction number repeat: number 2, number 24, number 35, number 36, number 47, number 48. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers: number 14, number 25, number 26, number 27, number 38, number 49. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat: number 14, number 25, number 26, number 27, number 38, number 49. Now lunchtime booster balls numbers: number 17, or number 28, or number 34, or number 38. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat: number 17, number 28, number 34, number 38. Today tea time prediction for 8 January Monday 2024. Now tea time single prediction numbers: number 2, number 3, number 24, number 35, number 36, number 41. Today tea time single prediction number repeat: number 2, number 3, number 24, number 35, number 36, number 41. Now tea time second prediction numbers: number 5, number 26, number 37, number 38, number 40, number 43. Today tea time single second prediction number repeat: number 5, number 26, number 37, number 48, number 40, number 43. Now tea time booster balls numbers: number 29, or number 25, or number 36, or number 41. Today tea time bonus ball number repeat: number 29, number 25, number 36, number 41. So friends, complete today lunchtime and tea time prediction number. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.